Stock trading. A penny stock almost double within one day. Which stock is it? After watching this video until the end, you're gonna know how to make profits with penny stock trading and also how not to lose money is very important. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. This is a stock MNDIA penny stock. I saw this stock and it jumped. Usually when a penny stock jump one day, they close very high. The next day it tends to go up more, right? So we can make use of this pattern. So I saw this, the breakout is $3.2. What does it mean? 3.2 means if this stock opens and break out 3.2, it's more likely to go up because it already got a momentum. So I sent out this alert on just before the market opens. Yeah, it was 3.04 on November 20. So what happened on November 21? It hit 5.48. After hours, so 80.26% gain within one day. So how could we trade this? So I identify a stock that could jump, gap up when it opens. So when it opens, as you already know my breakout point, if it hits above 3.2, most likely gonna go up. So you could just enter. Then after that, it's gonna hit at some point, maximum point. Then after that, it drop it down. This is very normal, right? It's gonna drop it down. Very normal. When it drops down, the most sensible thing, statistically, is to take profit or cut loss, right? Sometimes trades don't go your way, which is normal, okay? But most of the time, out of my 10 alerts, usually 8 alerts go up more. That's how I usually select. Before pre-market, I'm going to look at the stock. Maybe the most will be, I used to have 3 stocks to look at, to trade. Then after that, I realized that my win rate is getting high. So I rather just have 1 stock to focus on. There's no point looking at 3 stocks and you miss all 3. Okay, it's better to just choose the best one, just one, and see if it opens up. If it breaks above the breakout point, hey, just go in. Once we go in, hey, we just need to wait. It could be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. Then after that, it's gonna go back down. So then we take profit, right? Very simple. As long as it breaks above breakout point, I'm 80%, 90% sure that it's gonna keep going up. So that's how I trade. So of course, day trading mode stock, there's some stress. We need to get up before the market opens. Pre-market, then get in once it opens. Usually the most profitable trades, most of them are within 1 hour or 2 hours of the stock market opens. So usually I would take profit within 30 minutes, an hour, just then after that do something else. So that's probably before I master option trading. So option trading is better in a way that it's not stressful. I could just trade anytime. It doesn't have to be open hours. It doesn't have to be closing hours. It doesn't have to be anything because I travel full time. I trade options. I get in. Once it's oversold or whatever, then it's most likely gonna bounce back up. So I enter in. Then after that, what do I do? Very simple. Then I just limit set, place the order. Right. Once it hit that target, it doesn't matter where I am. I might be on a plane. I might be at the airport. I might be at the hotel. I might be somewhere where I don't have the internet. So then it's automatically gonna set. So that's why I like option trading in a way that is not so stressful. Day trading movement stock, it's better not to hold the position overnight. Okay, so why did this stock go up? Does it really matter? This stock went up because this company MNDR, a mobile head network solution, to acquire AI optimized data center in Malaysia. So anything related to AI is very hot. So what happened? Acquisition aimed to enhance the company's AI-powered head ecosystem. So it really doesn't matter to know the news, right? Even for the stock investing, as long it meet my 5 criteria for stock investing, hey, I don't really care about news. For day trading, momentum stock, I don't really care about the news. It's good to know, for entertainment purposes, but I don't even have to know this news. Hey, once it's goes up for one day, hey, second day most likely it's gonna go up. The third day I'm not so sure. There are some stocks that keep going up 4 days, 5 days, like Opendoor. That's far and few between. Usually I like to take profit right away, so that's why it's called day trading, momentum stock. Okay, so if you get it the first day, which could be good, then you could possibly enter. Then after that, you know what, you may want to hold it one more day if you want to take risk, or if you just take profit. And if it's the first day and the news is good, and you know that this is the first day, great, the news is good, and if you believe that it could go up more second day, just hold it, right? Because the second day is gonna jump 80.26%. This is after hours. You don't have to wait after hours. You don't have to capture everything 80.26%. If you capture even for 20%, 40%, it's considered very good, okay? As long as you keep the losses to minimum. Let's say you want to take profit 20%, so you should get loss at 10%. That's the rule, right? 2 times the profit target has to be 2 times the loss. So as long as it break out, I'm very confident that my stock gonna go up 80% or more of the time. As long as it breaks out, that's all it matters, because it's always get the momentum from the breaking out. So very important. Why should you sell the stock within 1 day and not wait another day? Because it dropped the next day. On the third day it dropped, okay, 38.52%. It doesn't have put option, so we could not use put option after the second day. This is a very penny stock, very small, 2.45 million market cap, very small. It will be hard to short as well. So I don't like shorting. I'll probably use put option if there's a put option. So the second day after we take the profit, what could we do? Hey, let's see if this stock has a put option. We could just buy put option at the top. Hey, the next day it will have gone down, right? So that's how you play. Breakout, going up, one play. Then after that, at the top, you take profit. Then you buy put option. Then it drops, you make another profit. Okay? Right now I'm like already have financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom. I don't like to get myself stressed anymore, so I just mostly trade call option, put option, and advanced option. Not so much of day trading. If you want to know what I trade, what I buy, and what I profit, you can click the link in the YouTube description and comment down below. You can learn more about my stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, and day trading stock at Master Risk Stock Option Crypto channel. Go to playlist, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.